from Mexico, and this is my mom.
Hi everybody, I am Maru from Mexico, Guadalajara.
And we're gonna cook a recipe from my grandma, so from my mom's mom. And today we're gonna cook
red rice,
arroz rojo,
and avocado filled with tuna,
aguacates rellenos de atún,
and fresh water made with pineapple and strawberries,
y agua de fresa con piña.
Okay, we are going to start making the rice, the red rice, and the ingredients are garlic, onion, and tomato. We are going to have a little broth.
I'm gonna wash the tomatoes.
We are going to chop the onion and the garlic, lots of garlic. And then we are, pásamelos, tomates, córtalos. We are going to mix garlic, onion,
and 1 tomato. So we're using the baby thingy because it's so few that we don't need to use the blender. And it's just faster and cleaner and easier.
Well, now we are going to put this little sauce in the pan with 1 teaspoon of oil.
We're using avocado oil, but you can use any kind of oil, sunflower oil, just not olive oil, but any other oil. And we're gonna stir it to make it, para hacerlo que, whoops.
Just to fry a little bit.
Okay. And we're gonna fry the sauce, which is the tomato, the onion, and the garlic.
Yeah, okay. Here I have a cup of water that we are going to put to start boiling so the rice will be sooner. As you can see, this is only for 2 minutes until the tomato gets fried. Then we are going to add 1 cup of rice.
Just 1 cup of arroz. Any rice you can use. You can use jasmine rice. We just got the long grain rice, but you can get whatever rice you want. But it has to be white. And then the rice, there's no water. It's just the sauce that is getting fried. So the rice is gonna turn slightly to a little brownish color instead of the white color.
Okay, we are going to add just teaspoons of tomato paste. 1 and 2. That's it. And continue frying the rice just for a little while. Because this rice is instant, so it is going to be cooked faster than the other rice. Just like this. Okay, here we have the water that we put before, and now it's ready. Okay. So we have
and in Mexico we use a lot of this for everything, for most of our cooking. So most is the knorr Suiza, we call it, and we use this on everything to put some extra flavor. So how many spoons, Mommy?
1 spoon and a half.
1.5 spoons goes into the rice.
We are going to add peas and carrots. You can add whatever you want, whatever vegetable you want, maybe broccoli or potato, whatever. We are going to add
A handful.
A handful, 2 handfuls
2 handfuls.
of peas and carrots.
And there you can be creative and just add whatever you have extra in your fridge.
Okay. Now we are going to let it boil until water is absorbed.
So we're gonna put 5 minutes to know exactly how much time we're have to like leave it there. And in low, it has to be in low. Number 3 probably.
Yeah.
And we'll just wait until the water is done, is evaporated and cooked, and then we'll be ready to eat it. So how to choose an avocado?
Okay, you must be aware that avocados need to be really good and soft for that day, because otherwise, if they are too green, they are going to be very hard and not tasting well. So here you have an avocado that is soft, and you just peel.
That's a perfect avocado, how you peel
By hand.
Yeah, and then the whole thing comes out like smooth and nice.
Like this. Otherwise, it is...
a little bit older.
Okay, you can have your avocado ready. Quítale el con el...
Oh, and that...
Con el cuchillo.
Yeah. And yeah, and also the bone will come easy, or you can just... Yeah, that's
You can take it like with a knife.
Well, I wouldn't use this knife, I would use this one.
Okay, first you have your avocados ready to be filled.
Deja enseño cómo. So to fill up the avocados, you can chop some onion, or you must chop some onion. Red or white onion, it doesn't really matter. And I love onions, so I'm gonna put quite a bit. Probably like 3 big spoons. And then the other thing that I personally like is olives. So I'll just cut some olives as well. We're gonna drain the oil or the water so it won't be too saggy. So any tuna, this is light tuna, you can use white tuna, whatever. You can also do like the ones with the salmon cans. That also tastes really good. Okay. And then we are gonna add some mayo. Until the texture is soft but not too watery. And here you could add whatever you want. You could add also cucumber, you could add carrots, you could just be creative with whatever. We're just making it simple today. So this is the texture you want to get. And if you want, you can also add sour cream. Okay. So then, okay, I'll put one here. I'm gonna take one avocado here, put it here, and then just take a spoon. I'm gonna bring it here. And then you just fill it up like that. And then to make it nice and beautiful, just add your olives there. And then we're gonna make another one. But instead of putting olives, we're gonna put some dill, because who doesn't like dill, right? So yeah, if you can chop some of them, that would be great. So you can do this meanwhile the rice is cooking, so then... And then you will add the dill. I like dill a lot, so I'm gonna put just a bunch. And that's it. Oh, wait. And... No, that's it. No. Salt and pepper. I was forgetting about salt and pepper. we're gonna make pineapple strawberry water. En español.
Ok, vamos a hacer agua de piña y fresa.
So we're gonna cut the pineapple, peel the pineapple. Honestly, this pineapple, I think it was a bit greener because we just bought it yesterday. So it would have been better if we would have let it sit under the sun for another 2 days probably.
Mm-hmm. It gets sweeter when it is under the sun.
Okay.
So do you actually put it outside under the sun?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I put all the vegetables and fruits.
And the animals don't take?
No, but I mean on a table or something.
On a ledge of the window or something.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
¿Le vas a quitar esto o no?
Quítale lo del medio por
Yeah. So we're gonna cut the pineapple and obviously we're gonna take the heart out. This doesn't go in the blender ever, right? And then the strawberries were just like any other strawberry. Just cut the top and put it in there. Are we gonna do the whole pineapple, Mama?
No, yo creo que una rebanadita más.
Okay. Ay, pero ponen la jarra bonita.
Ah, sí, sí.
En lugar de esa de plástico.
Ya sé.
Ay, pero bueno. And then we're gonna put some water in the blender. Ay,
Debe para el otro lado. No sabes que luego le dejaste los cositos estos.
Oh, so she's telling me that I shouldn't leave these ones in because
They get sour.
it gets sour, so you really have to be sure that these are not in your water. And then we will just blend it. And me personally, I would just drink it like that. But my mom likes it strained. Why?
Oh, because some people are not allowed to eat the little seeds of the strawberry because of stomach problems or something. So I better strain it.
And then, if you were not in camera, I think what my mom would do, what would you do? Te lo podría hacer en cara.
What would you do?
Like,
She would put it all over her face and her hands.
yeah, like this.
Good for your skin.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Okay.
Keeps her young, I think.
Oye, ¿vos ves la azúcar?
Oh yeah. And then we're gonna add sugar. Ahí está. And this water you can mix it with anything. You could mix berry and strawberries, or it's just more fun than just one flavor. I don't know.
Guava and pineapple or strawberry and mango. Anything.
Anything that you have in your fridge, you can always mix that in. It's just more fun. ¿Quieres decir? Meanwhile, my mom is gonna check the rice and see how's the texture looking.
As you can see, water is almost gone. You can taste it if the flavor is okay. Maybe you could add some more salt or whatever. It's nice.
Nice. And then we're gonna add 2 spoons of sugar. Did you already do that?
No.
No? Okay.
No sabes. Bueno, sí.
Yeah. So you can always start with less, and then if you more, you add, right? Instead of doing more, and then you're like, whoops, it's way too sweet. So usually with Sean, he says like, why you call it water instead of juice? But anything that if you add even a little bit of water is water. So it's flavored water, we call it. Otherwise, it would be just pineapple and the strawberry with no water, and then that would be a juice for us.
Yeah.
We call in Mexico agua de limón, agua de fresa, agua de piña. That is
Like lemonade or strawberry.
we have almost in every meal fresh fruit.
Fresh fruit water. Yeah. And then we're gonna taste it. See how it's with the sugar and everything. Yeah, it's good. Then you can add rice or ice or something.
Medium.
Yeah. So water is ready. Water is ready, avocados are ready, and we're just waiting on the rice. So
Here we have the chipotles.
So that's one of my favorite. Instead of jalapenos, I think I eat way more chipotles. So it's hot, but it's also a little bit sweet. And these you can find in Walmart or whatever in the Mexican alley. And it's really good. And it's inexpensive as well. It's probably $2. And it will last you for a long time.
It's very delicious.
It's so good. It's really, really good.
Okay, we can add some chipotle or jalapeno if you have jalapeno.
So my mom likes to, if you want to do like a very good presentation with the rice, you can get whatever container
Okay.
and flatten it up. Hopefully it works because it's probably too hot right now.
Well, okay, sometimes it's like a little bit higher.
And then you have your rice. And then you can add your avocado here. And then you have your water. And then you have like a fancy meal. And then